Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to retrieve your lost or deleted Instagram account. This is a very simple tutorial, so watch until the end. Now, I have to warn you. If your account has been deleted for more than 30 days, it won't be as easy as getting it back if you've only recently deleted it. There is a 30-day countdown when you delete an account, and within those 30 days, you can relog back in and it'll let you. But if you've gone past the 30 days given, that'll be a little harder. The first step is to open Instagram. Make sure you've actually gone past 30 days. If you can't log in, go to this link. help.instagram.com. You'll be given a survey to fill up. Basically, if your account is either a business account or a personal account, click on either yes or no, and it's gonna show you other questions you'll have to fill up. It's not this current link. Like right now, the link I've given you is a help center. You're gonna have to search disabled or deleted account. When you send the information, you'll be sent an email from either Instagram or Facebook, and it'll ask you for a confirmation photo and the code. So you're gonna have to write the code on a piece of paper and take a selfie for verification purposes. After you've done that, send it back to them and wait for results. If you get accepted, you'll be able to reopen your account, and if not, it'll stay deleted. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.